Guys, so I'm back at it. I just got back. I got the truck back from getting lowered. It's on a 3.5 IHC drop kit. Mine's a 4-wheel drive, so that's as low as it could go from my understanding. I'm sure it could go lower with some adjustments, but I'm cool. It's good the way it is for me. So today we'll be doing a new grill install. This is the OEM grill. So I got this shit from Facebook Market. I had a dumbass friend before. I asked him, I was like, he was on Facebook Market and he was like, oh man, this fucking grill, I think they wanted it like $150 for it. And the guy said, oh, it was painted Oxford white, because that's what I got Oxford white. And I ain't gonna lie, whoever did it, fucking, they suck at painting. Check this out. Like, I understand, I understand paint's gonna chip or whatever, because the front, it's not gonna last. Like, I just got the front bumper painted, you know what I'm saying? I have that plastic one. I got this off Facebook Market, and I got the fog lights off Facebook Market. Shout out to my boy, he showed me the Cosmins and those fog lights. I got a still deal. But this grill's not even like painted. It looks like it was like rattle can, you know what I'm saying? But I got this new grill from eBay. And to me, it's Oxford white. It looks sick on the picture before I ordered it, and it was only like 320, 330 or something like that. So I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you guys what you guys need to do to remove the OEM grill, and we're gonna put the new one. So let me unbox this, and I'm gonna show you the new grill I got. All right, guys. So we got it unboxed. This is it. So this has the honeycomb. That doesn't have the honeycomb right there. Watch. Well, I'll get closer later. But this has the honeycomb. Like I said, Oxford white. You could tell this is nice and painted. This ain't no rattle can shit. The only thing is, it didn't come with the badge, the emblem. But I'll just take that emblem off and put it on, so it's all good. But this is it. It has the honeycomb. And it's almost the same thing, but the difference is, you see it has this line right here in the middle, and then this one, it has dual. See how it has the dual, and then it don't have no honeycomb, and this is just like a plastic black. The other one's like a gloss black. So that's pretty much it. That's the difference between that and that. So like I said, this one's only like $300 if you guys want to get this. I just got it off of eBay. And we're going to replace it. I'm going to show you what you got to do to remove this OEM grill. I'm not going to go through the whole motion, but I'm just going to show you. So you guys are going to have to take off these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, guys. So you got these 2 bolts in here as well. Just get a 7mm socket, and then you got 2 right here and then 2 on the other side, and you're gonna have to remove this. All right, so once you guys remove those bolts, they just have these tabs right here, and you just got to be careful when you take it out, because it comes all through right here. You got to remove this part to get to the grill. I don't know why Ford did that. That's just whack, but that's how it is. So there it is, guys. This is it right here. Look, these tabs, make sure you don't break none. All right there. So we took it off. Now the grill's almost off. Now you got these bolts right here that are connected. You see, you need this one, and there's one on this side. All right, guys, once you remove this, like they said, these rivets, you got screws right there. You got 4 of these, and they're 10mm sockets. The other ones that were down here, those are at 8. And after that, you got these sensors, and that's it. All right, so this is the new grill. So you had to swap the emblem right here. It takes 3 bolts, and then you have to replace this whole thing. So you got to install this whole thing, because it comes with the harnesses to connect it. So you just had to replace this. This has this bolt right here on each side, and then you got to take off these rivets right here on this. There's like 4 on each side, so 8 rivets, 4 bolts, and then you got one right there, a bolt right there. I didn't tighten mine, so now it's coming out. So I don't know why, but this bolt didn't fit on this one, but it's holding the grill in, so we're good to go. Now we're gonna install it. So we got the grill installed. This is how it looks in the sun. You can see the honeycomb. And that's that. That's the grill.